Center Solace, new audio setup. Ollie is harder, better, faster, stronger. Make sure you work it.
Yes, thank you so much. It is a new audio setup, and I really, really like it. I hope you enjoy this stream with all of these new voices of mine.
Or you know this. This too. And ba-blam. It's really fun to play with them. And I can actually record myself and actually have like a sound pad, but I haven't been able to do that. I'll be sure to do that. Maybe like I'll record myself saying yabbit and we can have like a yabbit button. That'd be fun. Anyways, that is all from me. Thank you so much for coming. This has been Kureiji Ollie. Reading the manga has been really, really fun.